action.
Good morning, my friends. I can't believe it's Friday already. This week went by so quickly. Let's start with our morning message. April 24th, 2020. Dear friends, today is Friday. I think it might rain. The rain is good for the grass and flowers. What else needs rain? Love, Mrs. Jones. So when we think about the rain, we all obviously know it's good for grass and flowers, but what else needs rain? Well, the rivers, streams, lakes, and ponds, they all need rain for the animals and creatures that are living there. And the deer of the forest need the rain to drink. Who else needs rain? We need rain. That helps to fill up our reservoirs and our wells to give us fresh drinking water. So even though sometimes when it's raining we wish it weren't, we can do other things outside, the rain is really good for the whole earth. And we've been thinking a lot about the earth this week. Alrighty, let's look for some capitals. There it is. April. You clap as I underline. D, F, T, F, I, T, W, L, M, J. Now let's find our ending marks. Period, 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 question mark. That's still an ending mark. Let's check out our patterns. So we've got our capital for the month and our greeting. We move along. We have an ending mark and a capital, an ending mark and a capital. Long sentence, have to wait there to get the ending mark, and that one is a capital. That capital W looks very similar to the lowercase, but it is a capital. And we end with our question. The temperature today is 33 degrees. I was noticing this morning as I was looking at the temperature, 31, 33, 28, 32, 33. They are very close together this week, really close together. I'm going to add a 1. Where does it go? Right up there with the other ones. What needs to change then? There's 1 100 flat, 4 tens, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Yesterday was the 144th day. Today is the 145th day, and I'm going to actually do that one in a different color today. Which means Monday will be, if today is 145, Monday will be 146. All right, so what needs to change? Not the 1 for 100, not the 4 for 4 tens, but the 5 for 5 ones. And if we were to count it, we counted 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, and 145. If we look for digraphs this morning in our message, let's see. Think. The TH at the start of think is a digraph. Think. How many syllables in think? Think. 1. Is there another digraph? There sure is in the word the. How many syllables? The. 1. And the next one, I know there's one more hiding. Do you see it? Right there at the start of what? Our question word. What? Let's do it. What? One digraph. Right. So today I thought it might be fun to pull out a number of the day. We haven't done one in a little bit. I thought, well, today let's look at a number. I'm going to put this up. I'm going to move these out of the way for right now so we're not confused. I'm going to put them over here, and as I put them over here, let's put them in the order they go in. 28, count with me, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Why only 4 days this week? Oh, sorry. I do have a fifth. 31. Oh my goodness. Where am I going to put it? 28. 32. Where does it go? You're right, it doesn't go here. 33, 31. That wouldn't be the right counting order. So we're going to move these over. Thought we only had 4 because we had a day off, but I must have done Monday even though we weren't together. I'm going to squeeze it right there. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Look at that. 31, 32, 33. 3 numbers right in a row, and we had 2 days at 33. Those are very close together. Alrighty. Now we're going to look at our number of the day, and if you see here, our number today is the number 17. It's a tricky teen. We write it with a 1 and a 7. 17. So how are we going to fill this in today? Well, I've got a double 10 frame today. We're going to need 2 10s. Why? We know there's one group of 10. So what's this going to look like right away? This is going to be full. Do I need to count it? No. I don't need to count my fingers. There's always 10. When we're using 10 frames, there's always 10 squares. So I'm going to put an X for each one that fills that 10. But I need to get to 17. So picture, what's this going to look like? Well, I know that 7 is 3 smaller than 10. So I'm going to have 3 that are not filled in. So I'm going to go ahead and do 7, 1 10, and 7 ones. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, which brings me right away to my equations. Look at that. I have 10 plus 7 equals 17. I can also do a turnaround fact. 7 plus 10 equals 17. Let's go to the next one. What's more than 17? 1 more than 17, 18. 17 plus 1 equals 18. What's 1 less than 17? 17, take away 1, equals 16. And what's 17 plus 10? When we're on our number grid, we know all we have to do is jump down. We're at 17, we jump down 1, and we land at 27. And if you're not convinced, we can count 10. 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I land at 27. So we know 17 plus 10 equals 27. I'm going to leave you with a job today. I've filled in 2 equations, 10 plus 7 equals 17, and the turnaround fact that matches it. Today, I want you to see how many equations you can come up with that would equal the number 17. And I'll bet many of you will be able to come up with, I'll bet, even more than 10 different ways to get to 17. I'm interested to find out how well you do. All right, it's Friday. That means I won't see you till Monday for weekend news. Until then, I will miss you. Keep a picture in your pocket and a poem in your head, and I will do the same. Goodbye for now.